Entry, Wheel of Fame. Last call to place your bets. The favorite Intramuros. Anytime now, and the race is on. Friendly fire from the outside, and rushing up Intramuros, Danish Minstrel, Moonraker, Kim Possible, winning hand. Friendly fire, Moonraker, Kim Possible, Intramuros, Danish Minstrel, and on the outside is winning hand. It's Friendly Fire followed by Moonraker by Daral. Kim Possible racing in third by about 2 lines, rushing up Intramuros, winning hand. Danish Minstrel, Tahomo, Himless, and Deadly Storms. And inside the last 600, Moonraker by Anek followed by Friendly Fire in second. Intramuros racing in third on the outside, running by Daral. Kim Possible winning hand. As they race the last 500, Moonraker by Hapaland followed by Friendly Fire, Kim Possible, Intramuros winning hand, and Wheel of Fame. As they race the final corner, Moonraker by Hapaland followed by Kim Possible by Daral, and on the outside Intramuros, entering the finish line, Moonraker by Hapaland, Kim Possible, Friendly Fire, Intramuros, Moonraker, Intramuros, and finally it's going to be Moonraker, second Intramuros, Kim Possible, Friendly Fire. Close, Wheel of